So, today I am going to do another hair dye review because I did one a few months ago and I got a little problem afterwards. Let me show you real quick. You remember the hair dye that was supposed to stay 2 weeks? Well, we're 3 months later and it still looks green, but the green isn't going anywhere. So, I came up with this brilliant idea. Let's put more green on it. And do a hair dye review at the same time. I know, I'm a fucking genius. Okay, so today the hair dye I'm reviewing is one I bought in Korea also. It's the Personal Hair Cure Coloring Treatment by MOLY. Let's see if the camera wants to zoom this time. Oh, there you go. And the color is Mermaid Green. Let's read the instructions and see what is going to happen. Okay, directions. After shampooing hair, towel dry hair without using rinse or hair treatment. Done. Wear disposable plastic gloves. Got them. And evenly apply color treatment on hair. That seems okay. After 5 to 10 minutes, wash off with lukewarm water without using shampoo or rinse. In our case, we're going to let it 2 hours like last time to cover up this mess. Okay? So, for that we have scrunchie, hair color, gloves, hairbrush, and a chocolate waffle because I'm hungry. Okay, let's go! Why am I yelling? Okay, let's do this. What can happen anyway, am I right? I mean, my hair is already green, so we good, we good. Ow! Ow, ow. Oi, oi, oi. Okay, we good. Before we really start into the video, into the review or whatever this is supposed to be, I'm going to take another shirt. Okay? See you later, alligator. Okay, here we are again. Let's do this. Sectioning hair. Scrunchie number 1. Okie dokie. Ooh. That is a terrible scrunchie. Ugh. Okay. Oh wow, first time I'm not struggling with gloves. What is this magic? Okay, let's be Mermaid Green. I must say the Etude House one smelled better. Doesn't smell that good, I must admit. Okay. seems pretty alright. Okay. Let's cover up my shame. Is that green on my face? Oh god. That looks like seaweed? Seaweed? What's it called? It looks like wet nori or some. Nori. And now I look like an emo. I must be emo. Oh no! I put hair dye on my leg. Should I maybe also dye my leg hair? Look like a bush or something. Okay. Probably the worst idea I ever had, but... Okay. This is looking wonderful. Doing a little check here. Come here, you little bastard. Hop, hop, hop. Ta-da, we're good. Peace out. Okay, so I'm going to check back in 2 hours, approximately. And we're going to see if something happened or nothing at all. See ya.
2 hours later.
Okay, so here we are again after 4 hours. Well, where should I actually start? So let's go over a few things. As you can see, my hair is still green. It's a bit more vivid. The color is more even, but not completely, as you can see. So the pigmentation of this one was actually... would I recommend it? Not really. Maybe it's my fault because I put hair dye over colored hair, so maybe that's why it didn't work as it should. but for me the payoff was not there. So let's do a little comparison, because I searched this one online and the Etude House from last time. Let's see. So today was Tony MOLY Cure Coloring Treatment. The price is €8.30, so it's like $9 approximately. It has not a great pigmentation, so even though you got a lot of product, for what you get it's way too expensive. But the good thing is my hair feels really soft and looks shiny, which is better than nothing, I think. Then we have the Etude House Two-Tone Color Treatment, which I used last time, and that stayed incredibly long. That is €11. All the prices are on YesStyle if you are actually curious. But on YesStyle you can find it for €11, which is a few bucks more, but at least there the pigment was really on point and it stayed incredibly long. Oh wait, they say here lasts for a week. Okay. I mean, it's lasted a week, then another week, then a month, and 2 months, and we are still with green. So I'm actually quite disappointed because I like the brand Tony MOLY, but that is really not working for me. Maybe this wasn't a fair shot because I did it on colored hair and I should do it on just bleached hair like I did last time. So maybe I should try it again, but for now this one is a no. I'm sorry. Gomenasai. Please don't be mad. So yeah, that was actually it. Nothing fancy, but yeah, you know me. Look at that. Looks like grass that is drying in the sun or something. What is that? Anyway, that is actually all I got for today. So if you liked my review, don't forget to give a thumbs up and to subscribe. And talk to me in the comments because I need attention as always. So yeah, that's it. Bye! By the way, I should maybe tell this for those who are interested, but Tony MOLY isn't cruelty free, so might always be good to know. I bought it because I thought Tony MOLY was cruelty free, but they weren't, which a lot of Korean brands aren't actually. So might want to take that in consideration if you are planning on buying this or actually anything from that brand. So yeah, that's it.